Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to understand the role of 0, the role of 1, negative of a number, and reciprocal. Learn distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Introduction. 0 is both a number and the numerical digit used to represent that number in numerals. It fulfills a central role in mathematics as the additive identity of integers and whole numbers as well. 1 is a number which is also called a unity. In this lesson, we will see the role of 1 as 1 in the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. We will also discuss about the negative of a number, multiplicative inverse and distributive property of multiplication over addition. The role of 0. We have already learnt addition of whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Here let us see the role of 0. Consider the following. 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. When we add 0 to a whole number, the sum is again a whole number. Next, let us add 0 to an integer. Minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Again, when we add 0 to an integer, the sum is again an integer. Let us check the same with a rational number. Minus 5 by 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus of minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So when we add 0 to a rational number, we get a rational number again. In general, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a, where a is a whole number. B plus 0 is equal to 0 plus b is equal to b, where b is an integer. And c plus 0 is equal to 0 plus c is equal to c, where c is a rational number. 0 is called the identity for the addition of rational numbers. It is the additive identity for integers and whole numbers as well. The role of 1. We know when we multiply any number with 1, we get back the same number as the product. Here let us multiply few rational numbers with 1. Look at the following. Minus 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. In the same way, if we multiply a positive rational number with 1, that is 7 by 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 7 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. What do you find from this? You will find for any rational number a multiplied with 1, you get the same a as the product. So we say 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. Negative of a number. In your earlier classes, you've come across negative of integers. Here we will find what is negative of a number. What is the negative of 1? The negative of 1 is minus 1. Why is negative of 1 minus 1? This is because when we add 1 and minus 1, that is 1 plus of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1, the answer is 0. Hence, the negative of 1 is minus 1. So we say 1 is the negative or additive inverse of minus 1 and vice versa. In general, for an integer a, we have a plus of minus a is equal to minus a plus a is equal to 0. So, a is the negative of minus a and minus a is the negative of a. As we've done before, let us find the rational number 3 by 5. We have 3 by 5 plus of minus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 plus of minus 3 divided by 5. Since the LCM of these two rational numbers is 5, add the numerator and then divide by 5. We get the answer 0. If you add minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5, then take the LCM, add the numerator and then divide by the denominator, we get the answer 0. Thus, additive inverse of 3 by 5 is minus 3 by 5 and the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. In general, for a rational number a by b, we have a by b plus of minus a by b is equal to minus a by b plus a by b is equal to 0. We say minus a by b is the additive inverse of a by b, and a by b is the additive inverse of minus a by b. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. How do you get the reciprocal of a number 5? To get the reciprocal of a number 5, just divide 1 by the number 5. Consider the rational number 7 by 4. By which rational number would you multiply to this rational number to get the product 1? Yes, when we multiply 7 by 4 with 4 by 7, we get the product 1. So we say 4 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7 by 4. Can you say what is the reciprocal of 1 and minus 1? Obviously, the reciprocal of 1 is 1, and the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. 1 and minus 1 are the only rational numbers which are their own reciprocals. No other rational number is its own reciprocal. Is there a rational number which when multiplied by 0 gives 1? No. We know there is no rational number which when multiplied with 0 gives 1. Therefore, rational number 0 has no reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. For every non-zero rational number a by b, there exists a rational number b by a, such that a by b multiplied by b by a is equal to 1, is equal to b by a multiplied by a by b. Distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. You come across distributive of multiplication over addition for whole numbers and integers. Here let us discuss about the distributive of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. We know that the distribution property of multiplication over addition, that is a multiplied by b plus c, is equal to ab plus ac. Let us apply this property under rational numbers. Consider the rational number 5 by 2 minus 3 by 7 and 3 by 5. 5 by 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 5 by 2 multiplied, take the LCM. In the numerator is minus 3 into 5 plus 3 into 7. Whole divided by 35, which is equal to 5 by 2 multiplied by minus 15 plus 21, whole divided by 35. We get 5 by 2 multiplied by 6 by 35. 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 7 is 35. So we get 3 by 7. Hence, 5 by 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 7. Now let us do the right-hand side of distributive of multiplication over addition. 5 by 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 5 is equal to minus 15 by 14. Since you can cancel directly, 5 over here in the numerator and denominator. We get 3 by 2. Then take the LCM. We get minus 30 plus 21 whole divided by 14. Solve the above step, we get 6 by 14. Then you can reduce this to the lowest form. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 7 is 14. Hence we get the answer for 5 by 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 7. We get the same answer in the left-hand side and the right-hand side of distributive of multiplication over addition. Hence, the distributive of multiplication over addition holds true for rational numbers. In general, for any rational number a, b, and c, a multiplied by b plus c is equal to ab plus ac, and a multiplied b minus c is equal to ab minus ac. Rational numbers hold true for distributive of multiplication under both addition and subtraction. Summary. Let's summarize the topic. The additive identity for rational numbers is 0. It is the only rational number such that for any rational number x, x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x. Multiplicative identity for rational numbers is 1, since multiplicative identity is that number which multiplied to the given number gives you the same number. The additive inverse of the rational number a by b is minus a by b and vice versa. The reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the rational number a by b is b by a, if a by b multiplied by b by a is equal to 1. Distributivity of rational numbers for any rational number a, b and c. A multiplied by b plus c is equal to ab plus ac, and a multiplied by b minus c is equal to ab minus ac.